Okay, Harsha. So what all you learnt in that course?
Sir, entire course, sir, like from excavation to finishing level, like painting up to the painting work. I
Painting.
learned everything, sir.
Okay. You are in which year now? Fourth year.
Yes, sir. Eighth semester.
Which college?
University Visvesvaraya College, sir.
U UVC.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Okay. Done. I'll just share my screen. Let me check what all you have gone through. Okay. Uh,
Okay, sir.
Tell me. What are the stages of the construction?
Like, sir,
In
pre-construction, construction, post-construction, sir.
Okay. What you do in pre-construction?
Sir, in pre-construction, client will come to
No, I want
engineer
brief.
that.
Like what all you do, you tell me. In pre-construction, what all things will come? One is architectural plans will do. Okay.
हाँ, sir.
Then what you'll do?
From the architectural plan, sir, we prepare estimates, sir, cost of the construction.
Hmm.
Uh, and then from the estimation we get the administration approval, sir, like
Hmm.
BBMP. That's
Hmm.
it. From the administration approval, we will do soil testing. If the construction is if the construction is like apartment construction or high story building, if it is
Hmm.
high story building,
Okay.
we will
One.
do soil testing and surveying for
If I
look.
1 minute. See, what you're telling is correct, but that will come in the entire sequence of construction. I'm asking you about pre-con. In pre-construction, what all things we do? Architecture plans will prepare, structure plans will prepare, then estimation, planning, then we will award the contract. Okay. So these things will
Sir.
come in the pre-construction. Okay. Fine. So in construction, what all things you'll do? Construction stage.
Uh, sir, execution, sir,
Hmm.
like
Okay. After, okay, one is
uh,
execution. Along with the execution, what you will check again?
sir, apart from execution, we will do monitoring, sir, like
Hmm.
how the work is going on, whether it is whether the labor is doing correct or not,
Hmm.
like that, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Next, what questions? What are the different diameters of the bar?
Sir, in currently, sir, in society we have 8 bar, 10 bar,
Hmm.
12, 16, 20,
Hmm.
25, and then up to 30, 32 bar, sir.
32, 40
If we
also
want,
available. Hmm.
if we want specifically like 15 17 we have to order it for order, sir.
Okay. Nice. Fine. What is this mobilization?
Mobilization means, sir, arrangement of materials, sir. Like tomorrow, if concreting in RCC, we have to arrange the materials
Hmm.
today only, sir.
Hmm.
Like that.
Okay. Not about material. It's like before you start any construction project, you have to do mobilization. Now, mobilization includes everything, not only materials, site office, labor, then toilets. Okay. Everything comes
Yes,
in
sir.
the mobilization, like then access to the site, where is access to the site. Each and everything will come in the mobilization, not only materials. Okay. Fine. No problem.
Sir,
What is this SPT test? What is the full form of SPT?
sir, standard penetration test, sir.
Okay. Fine. What is working space?
Sir, working space is the space which is provided for the laborers to do the work easily, sir. Like,
Okay.
uh,
Okay, enough. Understood. How much you will take? How much working space you will take?
sir, it is 300 sir.
Where it is written?
Sir, code book, sir. Like,
Which code book is
not
that?
in code book, sir.
Mm. It is in code book only. It is in IS 1200 and in CPWD specification they have written it. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now let's say you're doing a excavation. You encountered water like this. How you will take care of this? Being a site engineer.
Like, from the pumping method, sir, dewatering method.
Mm.
In dewatering method, there are many methods. We can use any method, but pumping method is preferable, sir.
Okay. How you will pump it out? What you will do? See, pumping you'll do, but where you'll do the pumping? From which excavated pit you'll do the pumping?
Sir,
So what you have to do, if there are, let's say, 10 footings and all the footings are, let us say, if it is 6 feet, you dig another pit which is around 7 to 8 feet. Okay.
sir.
So all the water from here will reach to that pit, and in that pit you put a pump and you can do the dewatering. Okay. Hmm?
हाँ सर.
Hmm. Okay. You know to do, you watch these lectures and all about secant piles and all.
हाँ sir.
You
I
watched.
watched it.
Okay, fine. This thing. Okay. What else? What else? Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Secant piles. I'll not ask her, but if you have knowledge, it's enough. Okay. How the load transfer will happen in a structure?
Sir, if the sir load coming from the first the load coming act on slab, sir, and
Hmm.
then it acts on beam. From
Hmm.
the beam,
You
it
should not tell actor. You should say
transfer to the
transfer.
column, column to the
Hmm. Column to the.
sir. Then it transfer to the finally transfer to the footing, sir, from the column.
From footing
If
where
it
it
is
will go.
framework structure,
No, no. For frame only, I'm
footing
asking.
to the
From
soil,
footing.
sir.
Soil. What soil will do? Soil will resist that. Okay.
हाँ sir.
Hmm. You know to do BBS for footing.
हाँ sir, bar bending schedule, I know that.
You know what is the cover? How much cover you will take in footing?
Sir, for footing, 50 mm we will generally take. For
Hmm.
coastal areas like in Indian Standard Code, we have some conditions like mild condition, moderate condition, exposure condition. Based on that, we will increase up to the 75 mm.
Hmm.
But generally, we provide 50 mm, sir.
Generally 50. If it is a extreme condition, you can go up to 75 mm. Okay, correct.
हाँ, sir.
Whatever these people are doing the work, is it correct?
No, sir, they
Hmm.
don't provide any, uh, sir,
Working
they,
space. Working space.
हाँ, sir, working space.
Hmm. Okay, fine. Nice. Okay, you know to calculate the shuttering quantity for a footing.
हाँ, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me how you will calculate it.
Sir, by knowing the length and width of the footing and then
Hmm.
the depth, sir.
Depth of the footing. What is the area of
हाँ, sir.
shuttering?
Sir.
What is the area of shuttering? I mean, yeah, how do you measure shuttering quantity? Former quantity.
Sir,
What's the unit for that?
square meter, sir. Square
Square
meter, square
meter.
feet.
Okay, done. So let's say you're an engineer, okay? You're working on the site. Now they're about to pour the concrete. So what all checks you will be, they have called you for the construction site. Tell me what all checks
Ah,
you'll
sir.
be doing here.
Sir, I will first check the whether they have provided the cover block or not, and then
Mm,
for shuttering, they've like, sir, is
mm,
there any leakage happen or not?
mm,
I will the
mm,
check it, sir,
mm,
and I will arrange the carpenter and barbender schedule in the barbender in the site, sir.
mm,
If any failure happens, like concrete will leak, uh, I call them and rectify
mm.
them, sir.
Okay, fine. So another thing is you have to check the dimensions of the shuttering, okay? The length and the breadth you have to check, and then the diagonal also you are supposed to check. Okay.
हाँ sir.
Along with that, you have to check the reinforcement also according to the drawing. You know how to read the drawing and all, no?
Yes, sir. I can read, sir.
You can read, no? Okay. This is the first time you're doing internship or you have done it before?
Sir, during my diploma, I went for internship where I
Okay.
learned the road construction, sir. Like,
It was road construction. Okay. Fine. No problem. Okay. Then what else? What else? What else? This thing not required. What are the different types of foundations that we have?
sir, normally we have a spread footing, strap footing, combined footing,
Mm,
rough foundation, mat, mat, both are same. Pile foundation, pier foundation, sir.
okay. Where do you use this eccentric footing?
Sir, we use eccentric footing where we have enough space, sir.
Enough space.
Sorry,
Where
sir.
you don't have enough space.
Sorry, sir.
Correct? No.
If we have a don't if you don't have enough space, we provide the column at the border side, like, sir. If
Mm,
you
mm.
border of our site, sir.
Plot up. So it should be other way around. You should tell whenever we don't want to leave the setback distance, especially in the small construction, and when we are
Huh,
keeping the
sir.
column at the boundary. In that case, my foot when I design the footing, it will go outside. So in the
Yes,
neighboring
sir.
plot. So in order to bring it inside, one option is you can In that case, it becomes eccentric footing, but always you have to connect that with the beam, or you can design it as a pedestal, okay, to avoid the punching shear. What is punching shear?
Sir, punching shear is like, sir,
Okay, you know, no?
I know,
Uh,
sir. If the load
uh,
is heavy, column will
Puncher.
damage the slab, sir.
Hmm. Punching will come in two cases. Even in footing also it will come. In slab also it will come. If you do return of, I mean, ulta of footing is slab. Okay, always remember. If this is column and this is footing, this is also going to punch. If I return it like this, it will become slab. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Fine. Uh, okay. Pile and all, it's okay. No problem. Then okay. What is the difference between one-way slab and two-way slab?
Sir, in one-way slab, sir, Ly by Lx is greater than 2.
Hmm.
It is one-way slab. If it is
Hmm.
less than 2, it is two-way slab. One-way slab
Less
supported on
less or
only 2.
equal to 2. Less or equal to 2.
Equal to, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, if the sir one-way slab is means it is supported on only two sides.
If no,
If
if it is
bending
supported on
happens
four,
in,
no, one-way slab is not always supported on two support. One-way slab is supported on four support also. Okay. You
yes,
haven't gone through my slab lectures.
sir, I watched it, sir.
Uh, so if I 1 minute, slab, I think you not get slab BBS. Slab types you may get. Uh, so so what kind of slab is this?
Yes.
What kind of slab is this? Tell me. What kind of slab is this? Visible? My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. What kind of slab is this?
Sir,
Simple, no? See, the moment you see, you should identify it's one-way slab.
sir.
Why? Because see, this is breadth, this is length. So always, I told you in my lecture, if you find any slab which is square or rectangular, square, it is usually two-way slab. If you have a slab which is rectangular, it is one-way slab. Now this is rectangular, no?
Yes, sir.
So it is a one-way slab. Correct, no? But you see the
Sir.
support, you have one support here, second support is here, third support is here, fourth support is here, no? Uh,
But sir, the main bending happens in longer direction, sir.
Shorter direction, not longer. This is shorter. Bending will happen like this, not like this.
Sir.
Okay, major bending. Shorter, not longer. No, you told longer. It is shorter direction. Okay, see,
Sir.
all slabs are supported on four only. It's not that two-way slab is supported. Two-way slab is supported in two edges only. That is if you're doing it on the brickwork and all. But normal or RCC frame structure and all, it is always supported on four beams only. Okay. It will have four way. But only if it is a kind of rectangular, then what will happen? It is a one-way slab. So your bending will happen only in the shorter direction. Got it? And main reinforcement where you will provide along the shorter, you will provide a main reinforcement. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood now?
Sir.
Uh, Okay. What are the different types of this thing you have? Slab bars you have. You watched this lecture? Different types of slab. I think I didn't. It's not covered there. Leave it. It's there in my new recording. In old recording, it's not there. Huh. Why they have given a crank like this?
Sir, in a beam, sir, we have, sir, at the end, we have a hogging moment.
Mm.
At the center, sagging moment, sir. To resist hogging moment, we provide crank bar, sir.
Provide crank, but to resist the negative bending moment. That is hogging bending moment. Okay. Okay. What are this bar?
Sir, check
Chair,
bars,
chair,
check car,
chair, chair, chair,
check cars.
chair bar. Why it is provided chair bar?
Sir, to keep it in position, to keep the top bar and bottom bar in position, we provide
Mm,
it, sir.
Chair bar you provide. Okay. You know how to read this drawing?
Uh,
You didn't go
I
through
can
that
understand,
lecture.
sir.
You understand, huh?
Sir, I watched every video,
You
sir, but
okay.
if
Okay. It will take time for you to adapt. You are still in
I
final
can
year,
find
but yeah, you know the concept behind this, no? Hmm.
yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. What is sunken slab?
Sir, sunken slab, it is a slab provided for the sanitary connections for
Mm.
washrooms and bathrooms, sir.
Mm. Okay,
The
nice.
for that we
Okay,
have
okay.
to lower the slab, sir.
Mm. Okay, no problem. Nice. So let's say you're supposed to do the concreting of this slab, okay? So you're gone for
Sir.
a checking. What all check you will do?
Uh, sir,
Mm. What all check you will do in this
sir,
slab if you go for a checking? Let's say tomorrow I have to pour the concrete. Today you have been
sir,
called, okay, to do the checking.
MEP.
Huh. What all check you will do?
Sir, sir, first I
Keep
will
that
check.
mic, no microphone, you keep it close.
Sir, whether they have sir, like MEP employees have come and laid the what electric pipes. I will check whether they have laid the electric pipes and clear cover blocks are the provided or not, and then if the crank is provided like that, sir.
Okay. Cover
Then
block. Okay. Tell me.
sir, well, they have to provide, they have to apply the oil over the surface to not
Mm,
stick the concrete,
mm,
and then to get the rough surface, the have they provided carpet or not,
mm.
and then
Carpet not needed. Few people use it, but carpet we generally don't use. But anyhow, it's okay. Few people use that polythene sheet over there. No issues, huh? Then what else you will check?
sir, then they have provided the stirrups, but they have to provide in another direction, sir. If they
Mm,
provide in right side, next one should be in left side to
Alternate they have
get
to
the strength.
provide.
Sir.
Not to get the strength. Tomorrow, if any failure happens, so that that sudden everything will not open up. Strength already the designing is done. Okay, fine. Then whether this column, whatever they have done, is it correct? The lapping of this column is correct?
Lapping.
Where you'll do the lapping for the column?
Sir, lapping should be done like that. It should not exceed 50%. Like, sir,
Mm.
at
So
the same
okay.
place, we should
Mm.
not lap it.
Mm.
And
Always, whenever you get such kind of questions, you should tell. So always lapping should be done at the position where the bending moment is minimum. Okay. This is the first answer that you should tell. So in case of column, the bending moment is minimum at the center. Okay. So at the center, you will do the lapping. That's it. Simple answer. Hmm? Okay. No problem. Fine. Rest, you'll check all the reinforcements and all. Okay. Huh. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Then what else you have gone through? Okay. This was all about this particular lecture. What is this? Okay. Slum test. I'll ask you. Know what is there in slum test? Okay. What is the strength you get at the end of 70s in a concrete?
65%, sir.
65 to 67% you'll get. Why they keep rotating this thing truck, agitating truck, transit mixer?
I'm not getting, sir.
Uh, this whenever such kind of trucks come trunk to the concrete side, no, they keep on this keeps on rotating, no. This
Sir.
drum keeps on. Why we have to keep it rotating?
Sir, during transportation, the mixture will segregate it, sir. Like
Hmm.
cement mortar will be separated and the aggregate will be separated. To keep it in a good mix, they
We
make it
have to
rotate,
keep.
sir.
Okay, you explain me this graph, no? What is the meaning of this graph?
Sir, uh, sir, this graph states that if we add more water, the strength will be reduced, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
Stiffer concrete give more strength than lean
Hmm.
concrete, sir, like
Hmm.
loose concrete.
In stiffer concrete, what will be the problem then?
Sir, workability reduces, sir. It
Hmm.
will cause problem to the laborers.
Okay, what kind of method is this?
Sir, ponding method of curing, sir.
Okay, why curing should be done?
Sir, curing should be done to reduce the loss of water from the concrete, sir.
Hmm. Okay, nice. Deshuttering, you have idea, no? Columns and all, when
Yes,
you'll
sir.
do the deshuttering?
Sir.
When you'll do column deshuttering?
After 24 hours, sir.
Then beam and all?
For beam, vertical shuttering should be done after 24 hours. For beam, plinth beam bot, sorry, sir. Beam bottom shuttering should be done after 3 days.
Beam bottom, you should not say shuttering. It's beam bottom or beam soffit. Anything which is vertical, we call it as a shuttering.
Shuttering.
Okay. Horizontal, in case of slab, it is called as a centering. In case of
Huh,
beam,
sir.
we call it as a beam bottom or beam soffit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. No problem. Fine. Good. Okay. Then you're taken only one course, no? Site execution.
Yes, sir. This
Uh,
one only.
okay. Why this lateral ties are provided?
Sir,
Why?
lateral tries are provided to keep the bar placed in position, sir.
Then
And uh,
what kind of member is that column?
column is vertical members.
No, 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 no.
Compression member.
Compression member. Okay. For labor can tell vertical member. If you're a civil engineer, you should tell column is a compression member. Okay.
Compression.
Hmm.
Okay,
Fine. Then what else you learned in that course? Explain me this slump. No, what are the different types of slump that you have?
sir, we have generally through slump, shear slump, collapsible slump,
Hmm. Hmm.
zero slump, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, zero slump means there is no
Subsidence. It will not come down when you
there is
lift the cone.
sir. True slump means some subsidence will happen. Shear slump means one side is
Sheared
uh,
off. Why
sir,
why that
one side
shear
sheared
slump
off.
happen? Why that shear slump happens?
Sir, mixture will not happen correctly, sir.
If you don't mix your concrete properly, if proper tamping is not done, then shear may happen. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Huh. Okay, nice. Then what else you learnt in the course apart from this?
Sir, finishing activities
Finishing
like
was there,
block
no?
work.
Okay. What is the standard size of a block?
Sir, standard size 19 by 9 by 9, sir.
Okay, 1 minute, just hold on. Okay. Brick you told me, no? Yeah, fine. Modular brick we have, and then we have this nominal. Fine. What is the thickness of this mortar in brick?
10 mm, sir.
10 mm. Let's say you brought a brick to a construction site. What all test you will do?
Sir, if the shape is sharp and it is in red color and it should produce metallic sound when we stick
Stuck each other.
sorry,
Stuck each
when we
other.
touch each other,
Mm.
and if we drop it from the height of 1 meter, it should not break it, sir.
Okay, nice.
Then
Then
we do a water absorption test, sir.
water absorption. Okay. How you do? What should be the value of a water absorption? You keep your microphone close. It's paining, huh? Hand is paining.
No,
Okay.
no, sir, not like that.
Okay. Water absorption. How much it should be in the brick?
Sir, for first class brick, it should not exceed 20%. For second class brick, it should not exceed 22%. For third class brick, it should not exceed 25%, sir.
25%. Okay. What is this? What level is
Sir,
this?
sir, sill level, sir.
Sill level. Okay. Not sill exactly, but okay. No problem. Sill level. This is your sill concrete, but this is that RCC band what we have provided. After what meter you will
Sir.
provide this RCC band?
Sir, like after 3-4 course of the brick, we have to provide the band, sir.
After 1 meter or 3-4 course? 1 meter is enough. 1 or 1.2. Okay. Then what else you learned? What else you learned? When you will do the deshuttering of a chajja?
The deshuttering of chajja is done after the finishing of the block work, sir.
Whatever above block work you have, that you have to finish.
Sir.
Okay. Then what do you call this work?
Sir, chasing work, sir.
Chasing work. Why this thing is provided? What is this called?
Sir, mesh, sir.
Chicken
Arpita
mesh
mesh,
or
sir.
chicken mesh or arpita mesh.
Sir.
Okay. Why do you provide that?
Sir, for addition, sir, like
where you provide
cement
it? Where you provide it? At what junction? At what junction you provide it?
Sir, electric pipe.
One is electric pipe, wherever you have done the chasing work. Not only electrical pipe, you can say electrical pipe wherever the chasing is done. Wherever you have two different materials, like RCC and the brickwork, RCC and the block work. There you have
हाँ
to
सर.
provide the why it is provided.
Sir, to get the better bond between RC surface and the
Hmm.
cement
To avoid
cement
the to
mortar, sir.
avoid the cracks, we provide it, because since they are two different material, so
हाँ सर.
during the change in the temperature they increase and decrease. So that is the reason there is a chance that crack may appear. So we provide that chicken mesh. Okay, fine.
हाँ sir.
What is the thickness of outside plastering?
Sir, we provide 20 mm, sir.
18 to 20 mm is sufficient. And in one coat you will finish it 20 mm. How many layers you will do it?
I think 2 coats, sir. I
Yeah, two
don't
coat
get
you have
it,
to do.
but 2 coat. हाँ sir.
Okay, fine. Then what else you learned? That's painting and all not needed. You know those painting and all. Okay, this is okay. Okay. What do you call this?
Sir,
Shikanja or MS clamp.
हाँ sir.
Okay. What is this called? Tie
I
rod.
don't know, sir.
You didn't watch that lecture.
Watched it, sir, but
Oh,
I'm
you
forgetting
don't
those
yeah,
names.
you don't remember it. You have to practice. No issues, no issues. Fine, fine, done.
Acrospan.
Acrospan. Okay, done. I think almost we are covered, no? Okay, I'm adding new lectures. Go and watch those things also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done. Nice. So you answered good. Okay, I'll prepare the certificate and provide you. And what is your plan after BTech? You applying for any jobs?
Sir, basically, I'm preparing for government jobs, sir,
Your
like
exam.
JEE exams.
Uh,
Along with work, I'm preparing for that exam, sir.
what exams in Karnataka or anywhere you are applying?
Both, sir. SSC JEE, like Staff Selection Commission exams,
Mm,
and then Karnataka exams, sir.
okay. You are taking any coaching? Yeah.
No, sir. Only YouTube,
Self.
sir.
YouTube you follow. Okay, fine, nice. What is the age now?
Sir, present age is 21, sir. Currently, I'm
You're just
21
21.
years old.
Okay,
Ha, sir.
nice. So, okay, soon after your 10th, you did diploma.
Ha, sir. After 10th.
That's why your age is 21. Nice. That is a good decision always. Soon after, if you are, because I have many students, they do 12, then they do diploma, then they go for BTech. So by that time, they already wasted
Ha,
another
sir.
2 years. No? Okay, done, Harsha. Okay. You have anything to ask?
Uh, I think no, sir.
Okay, chalo, done. Okay, I'll prepare certificate. Tomorrow I'll dispatch it. Okay. You tell
Thank you,
me
sir.
you send me that this thing, what has to be written on the certificate. I'll send it to you. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. You gave good answers. Okay, chalo, all the best. Any doubts here? Just WhatsApp me. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, chalo. Yeah, so this was the interview for him. उसके लिए interview था. He answered very good. Because even though अभी वो final year में, the way he answered the questions is good. So that is what happens when you take certain training. अगर आप कुछ ट्रेनिंग लोगे या कुछ चीजें आप सीख लोगे, आप ऐसे ही परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. एंड जब आप इंटरव्यू में जाते हो ना, अगर आप बोलोगे कि आप एक फ्रेशर हो, या मान लो आपके पास 1 साल का भी एक्सपीरियंस है, आपको इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ऑफकोर्स मैंने उसको और ज्यादा पूछा नहीं, फिर भी फ्रेशर लेवल के लिए दिस आर द क्वेश्चंस जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. अलॉन्ग विद दैट बीबीएस सब पूछना था, उसने बोला कि उसको पता है. अदरवाइज उसने अगर वो वाला कोर्स लिया होगा, आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड हिम बीबीएस के क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल. सो जब भी आप इंटरव्यू में जाते हो ना, यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. एक तो पूरा एग्जीक्यूशन के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, फिर कवर ब्लॉक क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करोगे, उसके बाद लैपिंग कहाँ पे करोगे. मैंने सिर्फ कॉलम का पूछा था, आपको बीम का स्लैब का सब पता होना चाहिए. फिर ड्राइंग को कैसे पढ़ा जाता है, बीबीएस स्पेशली फुटिंग का बीबीएस, कॉलम का बीबीएस, बीम का बीबीएस आपको करने का आना चाहिए. एंड देन एस्टिमेशन का थोड़ा नॉलेज आपको आना चाहिए. एंड कुछ वो लोग कुछ डिपेंड करेगा, कुछ लोग आपको ऐसे बीओक्यू का फुल फॉर्म क्या है वो पूछेंगे. फिर डिफरेंट डायमीटर्स ऑफ द बार मैंने उससे पूछा. वहां पे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते कि बार का वेट कैसे निकालोगे, फिर अलग अलग टाइप के बार क्या है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट और भी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल के क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. बट फ्रेशर लेवल के लिए दिस आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट. ठीक है. अगेन, अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हो और लेट्स आपको 4-5 महीने का भी एक्सपीरियंस है, सो यू आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड टू टेल ऑल द आंसर। जब आप इंटरव्यू में जाते हो ना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, को सर 10 क्वेश्चन पूछ ले तो 10 के 10 आंसर देने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपको पता नहीं है, अगर 6 से 7 भी आंसर दोगे, इट इज गुड। अगर 2 3 या 3 4 का अगर आपको आंसर पता नहीं, देन ऑल्सो इट इज ओके। ओके, ठीक है। ओनली द थिंग इज, आप जिस रेंज पे और जिस लेवल पे आप आंसर दे रहे हो, आप कैसे आंसर दे रहे हो, वो मैटर करेगा वहां पे। बिकॉज से आप, आपके आगे वाला जो बंदा बैठा है वो तो 10 15 साल एक्सपीरियंस वाला है, तो डेफिनेटली ही मे आस्क समथिंग विच यू डोंट नो, बट दैट इज टोटली ऑल राइट। बट अगर वो कोई बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा कि वन वे स्लैब टू वे स्लैब का डिफरेंस क्या है, चिकन मेश क्यों लगाते हो, फिर कवर ब्लॉक कितना होता है फुटिंग में, फिर डिफरेंट डायमीटर्स ऑफ द बार क्या है, और भी क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ सकता था, जैसे एडमिक्सचर्स के बारे में ही विलास, कि प्लास्टिसाइजर, क्योंकि ये सब अपने कॉलेज में पढ़ा था, प्लास्टिसाइजर, उसके बाद रिटार्डर, दिस आर द क्वेश्चंस यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन द इंटरव्यू। ठीक है, तो दैट्स इट। अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें ना मोर बेटर वे सीखना है, तो ये मेरे कोर्सेस है। उस स्टूडेंट ने ये वाला कोर्स में एनरोल किया था, साइट एग्जीक्यूशन। बट अगर आपको कंप्लीटली कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे काम करना है, आई वुड सजेस्ट इधर ये वाला कोर्स में एनरोल करो और इसमें एनरोल करो। द रीजन इज, जब भी आपको इंटरव्यू में जाते हो, इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि आपको साइट का नॉलेज, एस्टिमेशन, ड्राइंग, रीडिंग, बीबीएस, बीओ ये सब आना चाहिए, विच इज कवर्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स। इसमें सिर्फ मैं आपको एग्जीक्यूशन एग्जीक्यूशन पढ़ाऊंगा, इसमें फिर मैं आपको बीबीएस एस्टिमेशन नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा। पर अगर आपको सब कुछ सीखना है, एस्टिमेशन से लेके बीओक्यू से लेके फिर हाई राइज बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, फ्लैट स्लैब कंस्ट्रक्शन, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का कंस्ट्रक्शन, अरे ये सब सीखना है, तो यू कैन एनरोल इन दिस कोर्स, जहाँ पे हम अभी नया रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे। फ्लैट स्लैब का हमने किया, अभी इसमें हाई राइज बिल्डिंग ऐड होगा, और क्यूए किसी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का भी हमने बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स यहाँ पे पूरा मेथोडोलॉजी को ऐड किया है। एंड बिफोर दैट आई विल शो यू, ऑलरेडी आपने देखा कि इस तरह से हम आपको पूरा पीपीटी से हर एक चीज हम आपको स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक, और जो भी मैं पढ़ाता हूँ वो सब प्रैक्टिकली साइड से होगा। और सेंटर लाइन लेआउट, फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, अभी हमने एक सेंटर लाइन लेआउट का भी अभी लेटेस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग्स वी हैव डन, जिसमें आपको पूरा सेंटर लाइन लेआउट कैसे किया जाते हैं, हर एक चीज हमने यहाँ पे कवर करके दिया है। तो आई शो यू, जस्ट 1 मिनट, अब देख लीजिए इसको। बाकी मैं आपको एक स्टूडेंट्स का रिव्यू भी दिखा दूंगा, सो दैट यू गेट एन आइडिया टू वेर यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग योर मनी, एंड उस मनी का जो आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करो उसका रिटर्न क्या आने वाला है। ये ओल्ड वाला रिकॉर्डिंग है, अभी नया रिकॉर्डिंग हमने स्टार्ट किया है। और इस पूरे नया रिकॉर्डिंग में आपको पूरा हर एक चीज, सेंटर लाइन मार्किंग साइड से आप कैसे करोगे, ये सारे चीज, आप ये सब करने के लिए ऑफलाइन जाते हो, दैट इज फाइन। बट जिनको ऑफलाइन नहीं जाना होते, जिनको 25,000 30 40 हजार रुपये आप अगर अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाओगे, यू कैन एनरोल इन माई कोर्सेज, जहाँ पे मैं आपको ये सारे सेंटर लाइन मार्किंग फ्रॉम द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइड आई विल टीच यू। वो भी सारे 30 40 मिनट के वीडियो रहेंगे। इन दैट वे हर एक इवन इस तरह से हर एक चीज हम आपको यहाँ पे कवर करके देंगे। ओके, या नाउ ये सारे आपको लाइव साइट वीडियोस रहेंगे, इस तरह से पूरा लाइव के को, फिर कॉलम का लेआउट आप कैसे करोगे, देखो ये सब पूरे लाइव प्रैक्टिकल साइट का ही वीडियोस है जो मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूँ ऑनलाइन पे। इस तरह से हर एक चीज, कॉलम का सेंटर लाइन लेआउट कैसे करेंगे, फिर उसका डायगोनल चेकिंग आप कैसे करोगे, ठीक है, प्लम बॉब से आप कैसे लेवल को मार्क करोगे, each and everything we are going to cover practically from the construction side। ठीक है, या नाउ आई विल शो यू फ्यू ये वाला स्टूडेंट्स का रिव्यू, सो दैट जो भी आप अमाउंट मेरे कोर्स के अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट करोगे, दैट विल गिव यू 10x द रिटर्न। जो उसमें आपको हर एक नॉलेज भी मिल जाएगा, एंड यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द बेटर पोजीशंस आल्सो। सो दिस आर द स्टूडेंट्स जिसको क्यूएस का जॉब मिला था, एस्टिमेशन इंजीनियर। ये गॉट, अगेन आई विल नॉट गिव एनी जॉब एंड ऑल, डोंट बी अंडर द इंप्रेशन कि अक्षय सर जॉब पे लगवाएंगे। मेरे कोर्स करने के बाद आप दुनिया के कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी में चले जाओ, यू विल गेट सिलेक्टेड, बट 2 3 महीने का टाइम देना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, तो यू कैन सी ऑल द रिव्यूज गिवन बाय द स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल। तो ये सारे, रिसेंटली आई गॉट प्लेस्ड एज अ डिप्लोमा इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग, अगेन ये सारे इन्हीं लोगों को जॉब मिला था। मेरा एक व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप भी है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको अगर कोई जॉब आते हैं वहाँ पे मैं अपडेट करूंगा, बाकी आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, टाइम लगेगा। ये इस स्टूडेंट का आई ऑलवेज टेल, 4 साल का गैप था इसका। सो इसने कोर्स एनरोलमेंट किया था कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजर मास्टरी का। सो डायरेक्टली वेंट टू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट, वहीं पे उसका इंटरव्यू लिया, वहीं से उसका सिलेक्शन हो गया। एंड दिस आर द स्टूडेंट दोज हैड टेकन कोर्स फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लेटफॉर्म एंड ऑल, देन लेटर मेरे कोर्सेज उन्होंने एनरोलमेंट किया था। सो दिस आर द रिव्यूज गिवन बाय द स्टूडेंट्स। सो ये वाला स्टूडेंट गया था, सेम वही स्टूडेंट है, और 6 लोग गए थे इंटरव्यू में, ही ओनली ही गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर दैट। एंड 6 लोगों में बाकी 2 3 लोग अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट वाले भी आए थे वहाँ पे। ओके, दैट इज हाउ इट इज। एंड या दैट्स इट। सो दिस आर द रिव्यूज व्हाट यू कैन चेक आउट। ओके, जस्ट गो थ्रू द रिव्यूज, आप एक बार कंटेंट चेक करिए। एंड ये देखो, ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स है, ठीक है, जो मैं आपको सेंटर लाइन मार्किंग पढ़ाता हूँ यहाँ पे। दिस पीपल आर एबल टू लर्न इट थ्रू ऑनलाइन एंड देन गो एंड परफॉर्म इट ऑन द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट। You can see all these things, footing marking is done. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, footing marking is done. ठीक है. So this is he is working in DRDO. So our site engineer from contractor side need this course. I suggested them. ठीक है. इसने भी construction manager mastery वाला course लिया था. So you can go and check out all the reviews. And these are students working in Dubai. फिर कुछ students है जो कतार यहाँ पे कतार ओमान में काम कर रहे. So you can see he got a job as a site engineer. Okay, I come from a non background, so project manager and all. ठीक है. So he was a frustrated civil engineer living I don't know. Okay, I gave interview on Saturday, got selected. तो ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स का रिव्यूज हैं एंड यू कैन सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, या दैट्स इट. सो अनी वाला एक स्टूडेंट है जो 1 साल इसने साइट पे काम किया, फिर इसको 29K का सैलरी भी मिला है. सो टाइम लगेगा आपको, सैलरी अच्छी जगह पे मिल जाते हैं सिविल में. ऑफ कोर्स इनिशियली थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, और पर अच्छे कंपनी में अप्लाई करोगे तभी होने वाला है. बट एनी हाउ यू विल गेट ऑल दोस थिंग्स. थोड़ा आपको नॉलेज इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स इट. सो या अगर आपको इस टाइप का कोई मेंटरिंग सेशन चाहिए या कोई इंटरव्यू अगर आपको देना है, यू कैन ऑलवेज व्हाट्सएप मी. आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड चेक आउट द कोर्स कंटेंट एंड ऑल. ये सारे आप एक चाहिए तो फ्री वाला कोर्स में एनरोल करिए, नहीं तो एक छोटा सा 99 रुपये का कोर्स है. पर ऑफ कोर्स मैं फ्री कोर्स छोटे कोर्स में सब कुछ तो नहीं पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. आई वुड सजेस्ट गो फॉर अ 6-in-1 combo या कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजर मास्टरी. गिव मी 3 to 4 months of time. After that you can go and work on any construction site. So I'll see you back in the next video. Thank you.